What's going on, guys? And today we're looking on 2007 X5, which is E70, and we having a problem with our knob, the iDrive system. So for example, as you can see, I'm pressing the knob and nothing going on in there. We're gonna be taking it out, the actual the knob, the actual system here, and we'll try to solder it out, the solder back on the actual sensor which is located in there. If it's not gonna help, we're gonna replace the sensor. I will show you the how does it build and what is going on inside. And in this portion, I simply gonna show you how to remove the actual plate and how to remove the knob. To open the glove box, we also need to remove the actual cap. So the cap can be removed by simply levering the actual knob from the corner. And we're gonna start from the front corner. Just gonna slide it in, gonna press and hold the actual side panel, and simply gonna pop the corner, and then just go through the perimeter, and basically that's it. Just be pretty careful with that, because the easiest way to damage the actual plate, which is the narrowest spot, the small spot, usually cracks in there. So now we have 4 torque screws located at the corners. Now we'll simply pull the trigger, and at the bottom we have our connector. Just pull the connector and that's it. We have 4 bolts at the bottom, removing the bottom plate, and now we have our trigger here. So for the trigger, just remember the actual plates, how does it sitting. It has some grease in there, so just be careful, and basically that's it. So for the plate, you can deassemble it, but it's not necessary. Same as with the trigger, we have our bezel here, rotating one, and we have 2 magnets right over there. And about the press point, this is our the actual knob for a pressing point. We simply gonna take it for a P. So I have the rubber piece here. Simply have to twist the pin and release the actual button here. Just got only 1 spring. I'll try to find another spring like that and put it on the other side. Now we can remove the actual board. The next, we're gonna simply resolder these points here, and we'll try to refresh the connections here, which is usually the main problem. If not, we're gonna need to order the same plate, and we're gonna solder it up, the new one, the new piece, if it's not gonna happen. Basically, we'll try to solder it, these 4 connections here. For these 2, I'm gonna need a smaller tip, which I couldn't find, but it is what it is. Let's start with 2 of these. A little bit of flux in there. Okay. And now a little bit more advanced, so which is that soldering gun, the soldering tip wouldn't go in. So sorry for the soldering skills, but I mean, basically all what you see, it's my head. But anyway, everything went successfully. Remove that snowball in there. As I can see, everything just looks okay. We also can play with those guys, but I wouldn't. And right now, just let's assemble everything back and check it out if it's working. So as you can see, I was planning to install another spring in there, but it didn't work. That spring is too tough, so that's what I got. But eventually I'm gonna upgrade it and gonna add another spring to this. And let's jump into the car and hope the actual setup gonna work. Set up the wiring harness, controller, hit the start button, and let's hope it's working. And as you can see, we can hit and check, press, and the menu button working as well. iDrive. Basically that was it. If you guys liked the video, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.